In this video, I'm going to show you the ornamental value of growing strawberries on your balcony. You can definitely grow strawberries in a container. For example, this container here has a strawberry plant that's 11 months old. It's been producing fruit for about 3 or 4 months now. And as you can see, there is an abundance of fruit on this plant. Now, strawberry plants are lovely to look at anyway. With their leaves, they come in a cluster of 3. And this in Chinese is considered lucky. We call it 福禄寿. Fu means blessings, Lu means success, Shou means longevity. Now, you don't have to believe this. However, we cannot deny how extraordinary a strawberry plant can be. Not only is it delicious, not only the strawberries delicious to eat, they add ornamental value as well. I'm just going to show you this one. This one is actually a different variety. There's also an abundance of fruit on this one. And this is also 11 months old. I got both strawberry seedlings in March last year, 2020. And now they look like mature plants. Now what is special about this? I'm just going to show you now. What do you think? Isn't this extraordinary? All of these are runners from one pot of strawberries. To me, it looks like a piece of living visual art. Initially, when a couple of runners were produced, I thought, I would plant them and make some baby strawberry plants. And then I got a little busy. 3 weeks later, to my surprise, so many runners are growing out of this pot. And they just hang effortlessly and naturally down. And this pot has grown into an elegant piece of art. The name of the variety, I actually looked it up. Let me have a go, okay? I only just learned the pronunciation a few hours ago. Fragaria ananasum. If you can't remember the name and you would like to buy one, all you need to do is to tell them that you would like a strawberry plant that produces abundant runners, and then you can grow your own living art. Okay, thank you for sharing this beautiful plant with me, and let me know how you go. Happy growing. Bye for now.